Welcome, investors, to Wealthy Ways. Today, we're diving into Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger top 5 investments to uncover the investment genius behind his massive fortune. From iconic beverage companies to tech giants, we explore how Munger and Buffett's strategic picks have shaped his investment empire. Coca-Cola, Buffett's $1 billion investment in Coca-Cola in 1988, when shares were just around $2, has grown immensely. This investment choice not only reflects his belief in the company's strong brand and consumer loyalty, but also his strategy of investing in companies with long-term value and consistent performance. American Express, Buffett's stake in American Express, begun amid controversies in the 60s, has grown into a cornerstone of Berkshire's portfolio. This investment illustrates his skill in identifying and capitalizing on companies with enduring brand power and market leadership, even during tumultuous times. Geico. Fully owning Geico since 1996, Buffett transformed his initial investment into a cornerstone of Berkshire's insurance operations. This demonstrates his focus on companies with strong business models and growth potential, capable of overcoming short-term challenges and contributing significantly to long-term profitability. See's Candies. See's Candies, a seemingly modest investment, showcases Buffett's ability to spot businesses with unique market positions and strong emotional connections with customers, turning a $25 million investment into a multi-billion-dollar success story. Apple, Buffett's and Munger investment in Apple, initially surprising due to his aversion to tech stocks, underscores his adaptability to market trends and his eye for companies with exceptional potential for growth and innovation. This investment has significantly paid off, showcasing his ability to evolve his investment strategies. Buffett's and Munger top 5 investments provide key lessons in strategic, value-driven, and adaptable investment approaches. His portfolio is a masterclass in diversification and long-term thinking. Subscribe for more insights into the world of smart investing.